Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to do an eye look with you all. I was actually inspired by this look that Priscilla Ona did recently for Rihanna's launch at Ulta. I think she was at the Ulta launch when she took this picture. I'm gonna attach it here so you all can see what my inspiration was, but I'm essentially going to be using as many Rihanna Fenty beauty products as possible to do this look, but I'm actually going to be straying away and using a Marc Jacobs shadow that I haven't used in a while, and I actually just found it recently, so I'm really excited to use it. I've already done my foundation, and I haven't done my concealer because I'm really messy when I do eyeshadow. So right now I have on my Fenty Beauty foundation, which is the soft matte foundation. All right, so today I'm going to be using the Rihanna Fenty Bomb Posse palette, and again this Marc Jacobs glitter rock sequins to do this look. So I'm going to start with the Fenty Bomb Posse, and I'm going to be using, I'm thinking about starting with Cinnabutta and I think it's Bare Buns. Yeah, Bare Buns on my lid. So the first thing I'm going to do is just really coat my eyelid with this color. This is Cinnabon, I believe. Yeah, this is the lighter one. And I actually just kind of looking at this shade, it's a little bit more soft than I want it to be. So I'm probably going to go in with the Bare Buns to give it the look that I really want. So I like to actually do my concealer after I do my eyes because I'm just so messy with the application. See how that's, I just started using the Bare Buns, and do you see how that just gives that little dimension? And that's what I really want for this eye look. I sort of want it to be sort of like that kind of color contrasting with this gray that I'm going to be using. Oof, eye is watering. Y'all know that this eye waters like crazy, and it's itching because it's almost pollen season. I feel like there's pollen out, even though I don't know, I haven't checked the numbers, but I feel like it's pollen season and it's coming for me, y'all. All right, so now that I've got that, I am going to go in and I'm going to use a very compact brush because I'm going to be creating a line with this silverish kind of eyeliner. It's like a glitter eyeliner, but I'm gonna make it into sort of like a more wet eyeliner by using my, what is this thing called? Let me see. Aqua Seal. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of Aqua Seal in this lid and dust off some of the glitter to create sort of like this pasty sort of product. All right, so I got the eye line set so far, so I'm going to add a little bit of black eyeliner to it because in the picture she had sort of like that black eyeliner underneath it to define it. So I'm going to go in with my black eyeliner to define that. I need to find my black eyeliner. I'm going to take this eyeliner, the black eyeliner, and define it right underneath it. See that? And I'm just going to go over it slightly too to define it on top. So you see you have that kind of graphic line with the eyeliner. So I'm going to do my other side and I'll be right back. so this is what the eye looks like so far. I am about to put on some mascara. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Air Volume Max mascara. And I'm not going to curl my lashes or anything. My eyelashes are pretty curled. If you want to give your lashes a more dramatic look, you can. But I'm just going to go ahead and pop my mascara on. And I'm not going to do much to the bottom eye line. I'm trying to figure out if I want to make it, because I think in the picture Rihanna has it lighter, like a lighter color. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with it. All right, and I'm gonna pop my lashes on in BRB. So yeah, I'm gonna be using the Ardell 420s because these are more natural, and I'm not really trying to make the lashes too crazy because I want you to be able to see the design. But I'm using the 420s, and I love these. If you haven't seen my tutorial on how to apply lashes, I will link it here. Uh, it's been a while since I did that one, but I did. And yeah, so that's what it looks like. All right, so far I have both my lashes on, as you can see. And now I decided I'm gonna go in with my NARS eyeliner, which y'all know from my last video, broke. And I am using every little piece. So I'm gonna be taking that into my waterline, opening up the eye a little bit. Oof, my eye is so watery. So watery, I can't. I'll be back. I need to do this off camera because my eye is so watery. All right, so I finally did as much as I could on my eye. It keeps watering, so I'm going to come back to it once it dries up. But this one is more so what I want it to look like on my right-hand side. So I'm actually going to go in and just do my concealer. And I'm going to be using medium 2 first to correct under my eyes. And just going to add it in the areas where I have more of those reddish kind of purple tones. I'm also going to add it to the center of my nose. I wear glasses, so like I always have like this dent here almost. Blend it through. And I know I said I was going to use as many Fenty Beauty products as possible. So I'm going to go in. I already corrected, so I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer. This is shade 210. Yeah. So this product actually settles pretty fast. So it's not like the NARS one where you can let it sit for a while and blend it. You really want to make sure that if you use the Fenty Beauty concealer, you actually move it, or you won't really be able to blend it as much. So definitely keep that in mind when you're using the Fenty concealer. It's not like the NARS one, which you can pretty much get away doing that with. And I'm letting this one sit. This is the NARS one because I wanted to sort of cover that area. It's coming together. I'm so happy. Y'all, I've been whitening my teeth too. Like I think I posted a video, or I'm about to post a video about how I'm using this Bright On teeth whitener. And my teeth were really yellow at the bottom. So I decided I wanted to whiten. And my teeth were really yellow at the bottom. So I decided I wanted to whiten them. And oh my God, it's so watery. Come on. Like, why are you playing with me? Like I was saying, I've been trying to whiten, and I feel like my teeth look slightly whiter. I don't know. I still have like 3 or 4 more days to go, and I'm supposed to be using it twice a day. I've been using it twice a day, morning and night, to whiten. And I'll post the product that I'm using, but I don't know how well it's been working really. Like right now I'm like, I don't really see a difference. They look yellow to me still. And I don't want yellow teeth. Ugh, I hate yellow teeth. On me at least. They look cute on some people. So where was I? I don't even know. I'm just freaking talking. So, oh, yes. So I realized what I wanted to do at the bottom of my eye. So I'm actually going to do sort of like a line at the bottom. So hopefully I don't mess this up. But essentially I'm just going to kind of go in and draw the line like that. So you see it's like a little space there. Do the same thing on the other eye. You see I just kind of took it in. All right. Don't water. Don't water. And now I'm going to take a little bit of this glitter by Lit Cosmetics. And I'm going to put that into this little space. And hopefully I don't go blind when I do this. Because I don't know if you're really supposed to be doing that with these glitter products. But whatever. I'm gonna risk my eyesight for the gram, for the tube, for the masses. All right, so I'm gonna be using the Lit Cosmetics Clearly Liquid Glitter Base, and I'm gonna dip my brush into it. You're supposed to dip your brush and then dip into the actual product to pick it up. Kind of gloppy right now, but I like this glitter, but it has a lot of undertones in it. Oh, that's burning. Yeah, I don't think I was supposed to put that into my tear duct, but whatever. Ouch. It's fine. But yeah, I like it, but it's more champagne than I thought. There you go. All right. So that's what that looks like right now. I'm just gonna move on to contour. And I'm using the UOMA Beauty stick to do this. And I really like this stick a lot, like a lot. And I like to blend the product into the cheek, into the hairline, and really get rid of like that line. Just kind of make it really blended, splendidly blended. Take any excess into my forehead, my big forehead, that I like to disappear. I love this stick. It's so pretty. I'm going to add a little bit of this to my nose. I like to erase my nose, so yeah. Finally, I'm going to blend out the line. I like my nose to look like a little chipmunk. See? And I like to erase some of this nose bone that I have here. All right, and now I'm gonna add a little bit of the NARS. Just a little bit, because this goes a long way, a long, long way. I just like to pick it up on my fingers and just dust it off onto my skin. And then you can just like dust off any of the excess, just blend it in. And now I'm gonna take the other side of the stick and put it right on top where I want the highlight. This highlight is so pretty. I love it. It's just gonna go in with my finger again. And of course, it's in my nose. So I'm gonna do sort of a really kind of 90s look, doing Cork liner on my lip. And I slightly overdraw my lips, so. All right, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of gloss in the center. I like my lips to look nice and plump, so I'll just add like a little slight pink. All right, so now I'm gonna spray myself down. And there you have it, y'all. You have this sort of Rihanna-inspired look, kind of 90s, kind of, you know, euphoric. And I just, next time I'm gonna try to buy some tweezers so I can do a look like this and just show you all how to put the actual rhinestones on. But you know, stuff happens and I don't have the time right now to do that. I actually do have the time, but I don't feel like doing it. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you like this look. Let me know how you like it, and if you all have any suggestions on what other looks I should recreate. Right now I'm, you know, wanting to hear more from you all. I just want to see what trends you all want to practice, and if you want to see me try any new looks out, just let me know in the comments. All right, thank you so much for watching. See y'all in the next video. Bye.